What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with mgmclassiccars.com. Today I'm bringing you this 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Just got this car in, and this car has some gorgeous black paint. You can see yourself in that paint. The car is really straight. It's got a 350 small block. Pretty stock. This car was just frame off restored. Every nut and bolt was off of this car. As you can tell, I mean, everything is new on this car. It's just insane. They put some SS badging on it. It's got GM rally wheels. See, everything's so clean there. Disc brakes. I'm gonna close the hood. Hood closes nicely and lines up great. I mean, the paint on this car is just in great shape. This is a really nice car. It's got a 4-speed manual transmission. For all you guys like the old school 4-speeds. Interior's in great shape. High back bucket seats. Everything was completely redone. All your trim is in great shape. The glass is in great shape. It's got an aftermarket steering wheel, but you got an aftermarket radio too with modern functionality. Works great. Got some speakers in the package tray back there. Speakers down here. Overall, really nice. Got some spare parts in the glove box. Ashtray. There's your climate control. There's your 4-speed shifter. B&M. Great manufacturer. Your pedals. Get the disc brake pedal. Fuel gauge, clock, everything. I'm going to show you the trunk before we wrap up. This car is also located at our location in Addison, Illinois. Today we are outside because we got some beautiful weather. I like to do some of the photo shoots outside. We get some nice weather. Trunk opens really nicely. You got your stickers back here. Jacking instructions. Limited slip sticker. Everything's real clean back here. As I said, this car was restored. Check out underneath here. 10-bolt rear end. Looks like an 8.5 10-bolt by the looks of the rear end, the rear end. But really close, or really nice back here. I'm gonna close the trunk. Closes nicely and lines up great. Same over here. You got everything was redone. This car has me impressed. This car took their time. It closes really nicely. Overall, the gaps are great. The car drives great. Glass is in great shape. If you want a nice black Nova 4-speed, stock appearing, just a car to get in and drive, this is the car. Check out those rally wheels. We are located in Addison, Illinois, just right by Chicago. Just a real close suburb, not far from O'Hare Airport. If you're interested in this car, you could visit mgmclassiccars.com or call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We have around 250 cars in stock. We have some cars pulled outside today, doing some inventory, sorting out stuff. but our warehouse, we have around 250 cars inside. Just a gorgeous day out here. We offer special financing for these classic cars, great monthly payments, and shipping all over the United States. So come on out, check out this Nova, some of our other inventory. Summer is near, spring is here. So right now is the time to buy yourself a nice toy, go cruising in, because you won't regret it and you'll have tons of fun. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1970 Nova. I hope all of you have a great day. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. All of us really appreciate it. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and just stay tuned because we get inventory in around them almost every day, and you're not going to want to miss it. So, as I said before, my name is Mr. Jenkins. I hope to see you here at MGM Classic Cars checking out this Nova. Everyone have a great day.